Okay, in this solution is called linear inequality because the highest power of x here is 1, so it's linear. Our aim is to make x the subject, so we have to collect the like terms by taking x together. You see that we have 5x here. 3x have to pass the sign of inequality to change the negative sign by subtracting 3x both sides. So I will now have minus 8 is less than 12. So 5x minus 3x is 2x minus 8 is less than 12. So to make x the subject, 8 have to go to the other side. We add 8 both sides. So now 2x is less than 12 plus 8. Now 2x is less than 20. So to make x the subject, we divide both sides by 2. Now 2x divided by 2 is less than 20 divided by 2. X will be less than 20 divided by 2 is what? 10. So this is not the final answer because we have to represent it using inequality representation. I said we used to represent inequality in real line or in interval notation. Sometimes or most of the times you don't see an option like this. So how you see it is if you have real line like this, this side, the left is called the negative infinity and the right is called the positive infinity. If something is greater, it tends to positive infinity. And if something is less, it tends to negative infinity. So if I have 10 here is the midpoint of real line, which is 0. And positive 10 is somewhere here. Because there is no presence of equality sign here, we have an open circle. And because it is less than, it is tending to negative infinity. That simply means that in this case, the value of x are those terms that are less than 10, which is 9, 8, 7, 6, negative infinity. That means all these values of x are a solution to this question. Or if you want to represent this term in interval notation, you see that x is a member of the thing that the arrow is pointing to is what we call the negative infinity. And where it started is what? 10. Where 10 is not what? A member. If we have a closed circle, like a shaded circle here, I will use block to represent it. And if I want to write the members of x, it will contain 10. Are we together? But because x is less than 10, that means 10 is not included in this set. It's a strict inequality. We call it strict inequality. So that is all for example 1.
I beg, now we don't watch and say like just like comment. I did just beg you, comment now. Why you do that? You start. You want to go?